Hi, this is Mrs. Wallace, your Grass Lake Librarian and Technology Integration Specialist. This video is going to show you how to do an update for your Kent School District computer from home. It's important you do this update at the very least twice a month. It's a little bit better if you do it once a week. My recommendation is that you do these updates at the end of the learning day. You want to make sure your computer's been on for at least an hour or two before you start doing these updates. What you want to look for is this icon on your desktop once you're logged into your KSD device. It's a little computer. It says Computer Help, has the blue cross on it. Double click that and the Computer Help button will open. Right now, we have a big amount of updates coming over this week, so my computer health is showing red. And if I want to get more information about why that is, I can click on the health button. And you can see here I have a Windows update that I need to update right now. It also shows me that my computer has been running for over 3 days without being restarted. You want to make sure that you don't shut your computer off at night, but instead let it run. And then when you do your updates, you do a restart on your computer, and that will update this computer uptime. So going back to the home screen on that, I have the red box. Even if I have a green box, I still want to do this update once a week. I go to Tools, and I'm going to click on these first three buttons to update everything that needs to be updated. You can see I just got a little alert that it's downloading and installing some new software. Today is September 25th, 2020, and last night, or the night before, customer support pushed out a few updates for Windows. So now I just wait. Usually this process can take anywhere from 5 minutes to half an hour, depending on how many updates there are and the intensity of the update. So I'm going to just pause my video while this updates, and I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. You can see that my drives and shortcuts has been updated because the button said successful and then has gone back to the original button. You can see that my Windows updates are still installing, and the Software Center, which is where all of our apps are held and where customer support pushes out our updates, is still refreshing. So I'm going to go ahead and pause my video. Oh, look, perfect. It refreshed right there. So I'm still waiting for those Windows updates to install. Again, it's been about 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause my video and wait for those updates to finish. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes now, and my computer is still installing that big Windows update. You can see that my Software Center has been refreshed, and so now I can go into Software Center and see where I am in the update. The way you get into Software Center is you go down to the lower left-hand corner of your screen and open the Start menu, and you'll see a Software Center icon. If your student does not have this icon, you can go down to the search bar, open that up, and type in Software Center, and it will pop up for you. So I'm going to open up Software Center, and you can see under Updates, I have 3 that my computer is currently working on. And you can see it is definitely taking a long time. This is a big update. So I'm going to go ahead and pause my video again so you can see that where I am, and I'll come back as soon as that update is complete. Okay, so it's been about half an hour, and it looks like my updates are done. You can see under status, I have 2 that say will restart. This means that on this day and time, my computer will pop up with an alert that says you need to restart your computer now. And you can see by the time that it is going to happen while my student is in school. So I like to go ahead and restart right now. That way I'm not interrupted at another time while I'm trying to learn, or in my case, trying to teach. So I would go back, I would close out of Software Center and go back to my Computer Help icon. Back where I was on the tools page where I clicked all these installs. And this one's showing as installing, but that's okay. We checked on the Software Center page and those are done installing. So I'm going to go ahead down here and click Restart, and it will restart my computer, and then all of those updates can take effect. That's all you need to do to update a Kent School District computer from home. You do not need to come up to the building or anything like that. You can do this at home over the weekend. And again, don't do this at the beginning of the school day. Do it at the end. So that way, once you're done learning, you can have about half an hour or so to update your computer without running into needing to do it during learning time. If you have any questions or concerns about this, or if anything is not working and you'd like me to help troubleshoot that, I can do that with you. My phone number here at Grass Lake is 253-373-2548, or you can email me, and my email address is on the Grass Lake homepage. It's kathy.wallace@kent.k12.wa.us. Thanks so much.